Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on the Welch t-test. So building on our previous videos, after we have performed our independent sample t-test as well as assumption checks for normality and variances, we will just quickly plot the graph as shown in a previous video, which you can refer to. But yes, so these are box plots with a Boolean element just to show how the data is distributed. We can see that in the control group, variance is a bit more, quite more actually, than the treatment group, because we can see the distribution. It is very not clustered, if I may say that, and in a treatment group it is a bit more clustered around the median or mean. So since the variances are not equal in both the groups, we may choose to do the Welch t-test and use that result and not the student t-test result, because as you can see in this graph, the variances are not equal in both of these groups. So just select this checkbox right here. So the Welch t-test will be done and you will have the p-value right here. So there is not much difference between the student and Welch t-test, and the p-values are both significant, that is less than 0.05. And yes, so there we have it. We have the Welch t-test. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.